What's going on, everyone? Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to discuss: Open AI latest innovation, SORA. I'm Sajjad Bukhari, and in this video, we'll dive into how to use SORA by Open AI, how it works, and even explore some alternatives. So let's get started. First, we'll search on Google for OpenAI SORA, and the first website we'll go to is openai.com. As you might already know, OpenAI, the same company that launched ChatGPT, has now introduced SORA, a video generator. If you remember, ChatGPT revolutionized the AI industry. Now, the same company has ventured into video generation with SORA on their website. You can see the tagline, creating video from text. Now, let's scroll down to explore further, and they have provided some video examples generated by AI SORA. It's fascinating because these videos look quite realistic, and as if they were recorded with a real camera. I've linked a few examples below that I believe you might have seen before. It's impressive how authentic and original they appear, giving the illusion of being recorded with a physical camera. Check it out, guys. Okay, now we are wondering how we can generate a video using this AI, and you might be thinking the same. So let's go back in here under how to access SORA. Click on it. It mentions that SORA can create videos up to a minute long. However, if you read the article carefully, it seems that SORA might not be currently usable for the public, as they are working on it, gathering feedback and receiving reviews from video and filmmaking companies. But don't worry, I have an alternative to SORA. I know it may not be as perfect as OpenAI SORA, but with a bit of smart work and editing, it can produce results similar to SORA. Keep in mind that it won't be an exact match, but with some effort, it can achieve a similar outcome. There are several high-profile alternatives to SORA that allow users to create video content from text. One such alternative is Runway Gen 2. The website layout describes it as a multimodal AI system that can generate novel videos with text, images, or video clips. In comparison to OpenAI SORA, Runway Gen 2 boasts multiple commands. For instance, SORA allows you to generate a 1-minute video, while in Runway Gen 2, it mentions text to video, image to video, video to video, text to image, and many more options. Now let's take a closer look at how to use Runway Gen 2. If you click on Sign into Runway, you can see various options like text to video, image to video, video to video, text to image, and more. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the text to video option by clicking Try Runway for free and connecting your account. You can start generating videos here. We have to provide a prompt based on the video we want to create. For example, I want to make a video of a mountain and volcano, so I would write smoke billows out of the volcano atop the lava-heated mountain, and then click Generate as a free user. This AI tool will generate a 4-second video based on the given prompt. However, if I decide to subscribe, which means opting for a paid plan, they will allow me to generate videos up to 1 minute in length. Currently, our video is in the process of being generated. Oh my god, this is incredible. It's so accurate. Wow, they have created something amazing. Alright, time for one more video. How about a romantic scene featuring a tender moment between a boy and a girl with a heartfelt kissing scene? Oh, I can feel the excitement. Let's dive in. Wow, that was truly captivating. What did you all think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more amazing content from the Crazy with AI channel.